What's up, guys? We're out in Rhode Island in Narragansett Bay with Captain BJ Sylvia on a day where it was blowing 25 miles an hour steady with gusts of 40-mile-an-hour winds. So I'm going to apologize in advance because there's some scenes where the wind is just absolutely ridiculous to listen to. We're out on a PhishPhinders charter with Garrett Weir, Rennie, Kevin, and Craig. Garrett said when I pulled up, he says, "It's blowing, we're going." That's what they're saying. Alrighty. Awesome. If you happen to notice the bibs that BJ was wearing, they're the Half-Coat Elite Barricade Rain bibs. And I'm a big guy about pockets when it comes to my bibs. Those things have 6 pockets on them. Super warm and durable. Dropping a hint to my wife right now. My birthday's in November.
Not as big as we think.
It's challenging, all right? So you got to pull it out of that.
Right? Or no, it's just a Dante jig. Whoa, boy. Rennie is a highly experienced 17-year-old angler who doubles as a dentist when needed.
If you'd just like to open wide, please, sir.
Right away. Right away. Nice catch. That's a good one.
Good, man.
Good job, Kev. As you can hear, it got obnoxiously loud. So at this point, I don't even want to throw any more clips in there pulling up fish. But we had a great trip. We limited the boat. I was really impressed. BJ threw us some spots, to try to protect us as best he could with all this crazy wind, and we got it done. It was a great time. Always great guys fishing out with the PhishPhinders crew. Good people, and we'll catch you on the next one.